The location column in the current HR database contains the combined details of the building floor, wing, and phone extension for staff. Uma wants to extract the 3 types of information from this one column into individual cells to have more flexibility. We have previously learned how to join text together. Now let's work out how to split text, and the functions that will help us with this are left, right, and mid. Left allows us to get a certain number of characters from the left, right does the same but working from the right, and mid works like left except that we can specify a start point somewhere in the middle of the text. To get the floor number, we will need to use left. Click on cell L4, type equals LE tab, and note the prompts. First, we need to select the text, which is in cell K4, followed by a comma to specify the number of characters, the next argument. How many characters do we need? Let's count from the left. Well, that's 2. Enter. The function has extracted the first 2 characters from cell L4 and is displaying them for us here. Double-click the fill handle in cell L4 to copy all the way down. Repeat the process for the phone extension, except we'll use the function write. Equals RI tab, note the prompts, first the text in cell K4, comma for the next argument, the number of characters, how many do we need, counting from the right, there are 4 characters, enter, double click on the fill handle to copy all the way down. The mid function works a little bit differently. We need to tell Excel the start and how many characters to extract. So, click on cell N4 and type equals mid, open brackets. First we select which text to extract from, which is cell K4, followed by a comma to specify the start point, which is position 4. 2 characters for the floor, 1 character for the dash, and the 4th character is the first letter of the floor. Comma to specify the next argument, which is the number of characters that we want to extract. In our example, that's 4 characters. So 4 again, enter. Let's copy the formula down using the fill handle. Wait a minute, that doesn't look right. North didn't come across fully. The last letter in the word north is missing. Let's go back to the formula. Double click on cell N4. We correctly identified where to extract the text from, cell K4, where to start extracting from, the 4th character in that cell, but here is where the formula breaks down. Not all of our words are 4 letters long, the 3rd argument in that function. In order to fix this, we are going to need a helper function, which is called find. Let's take a look at this function in more detail in the next practice video.